Want to build a global sales performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. First, we import our sales data with a simple click. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI work its magic. The system analyzes our data, identifying key metrics and relationships. It's generating multiple chart widgets showing top products by revenue, monthly trends, units sold versus profit, regional performance, and sales channel distribution. Plus comprehensive tables for regional product performance and top sales representatives. Our global sales performance dashboard is complete with 6 interactive charts and 2 detailed tables. We can instantly customize the theme with different color schemes and styling options. Now let's enter presentation mode for client meetings and stakeholder reviews. This full-screen view eliminates distractions and highlights our key insights beautifully. We can navigate through each visualization seamlessly. Exiting presentation mode, we return to the interactive dashboard where we can explore data, apply filters, and drill down into specific metrics. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.